ask you to send your account link to him or her. I don't know how to do that, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy your page link to people. So when you come on your page, just go up where you have your picture, click on your picture, this place, just click on your picture here. So after clicking your picture, you are going to see a 3 lines down here. So you click on those 3 lines and then you come down where you see your link. So you just need to click on that, then your link is copied, and then you go to the person account and paste it, whether WhatsApp or anywhere, just paste it and send it to the person. That's how you copy a link and share to people. Now that link you just copy is the link of your profile of your page. Now we are going to learn how to copy a link of a video. So if you want to copy a link of a video, come on the video you want to copy, then click on share. This is the icon for share down here, so click on it. After clicking on it, you see where you have that icon that shows copy link. You click on it, then you can see that the link is copied. So that is how you copy a link or copy a video link to people. If you have gotten some idea from this video, don't forget to share it and also subscribe to this channel. See you again in our next video. Bye for now.